Kitchen Taste. This is Chetna Kumar and today I will be preparing simple and easy mutton fry. Ingredients required: mutton 1 kilo, onion 1.5 inch ginger chopped, 1.5 pot of garlic, 5 to 6 ilachis, 8 to 10 cloves and 5 to 6 cinnamon stick, peppercorn 1 teaspoon, saunf 1.5 teaspoon, red chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, 3 to 4 green chilies, salt as per your taste, and for frying 3 to 4 onion chopped, coriander for garnishing and oil. Take a cooker pan, add teaspoon of oil. To this we'll add mutton. To this add half teaspoon of salt. Add quarter glass of water and pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the masala for fry. Take a pan, add oil 3 to 4 teaspoon. Once the oil is hot, we'll add all the spices. To this add saunf, peppercorn, onion, ginger, garlic. Fry until the onion changes its color to golden brown. The onion color is changed. Now we'll add 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. Simmer the flame and fry it for 30 seconds. To this add chopped coriander 2 teaspoons and fry it for a few seconds and turn off the flame. The masala is cooled down. We'll coarse grind it. Grind it to this consistency. Mutton is cooked. We'll open the lid. Take a cooking pot, add 5 teaspoons of oil. Oil is hot. Now we'll add chilies, chopped onion, and we'll fry until the onion color changes to golden brown. The onion is turned golden brown. Now to this we'll add grinded masala. Give a nice mix, and to this we'll add cooked mutton. Give a nice mix and cook the mutton in slow flame until the water is completely absorbed. The water is completely absorbed. Now we'll add chopped coriander and curry leaf. The water is completely absorbed. At this point you can turn off the flame and get ready to serve. Hope this video helped you. If yes, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.